guys, this is Pooja Bera and welcome to Diva series 2019. And for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can make a peacock diya. And I don't know how you guys would react because I'm putting out repetitive content. I know, but the thing is, last year I posted this video which went viral and I got really good response. So I thought, why not give another shot? Let's make another video as well for you guys. So yeah, here I am with that video. I hope you guys would found this video useful, and make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe and watch this video till the end. And yes, without a further ado, let's get into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down to let me know how was this video. Which peacock diya was your personal favorite out of whichever I have created. And in case you happen to recreate any of this DIY from hashtag Diva series, then make sure to tag me on my social media using the hashtag DIY with Bera, and I'll be more than happy to feature you guys in my upcoming videos. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm going to leave the links of all the Diwali decoration videos in the description box or either in the iCard, so make sure you guys check it out, because that's going to be really helpful for you guys in case you are participating in any sort of decoration competition. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video, and yeah, bye bye.